Hello students, as we know, last year we have done some science kit activities. But this year we have one science activity book in our syllabus named STEM, Lesson and Challenges. And today we will discuss first activity from that book is bird feeder. I hope you all are having textbook. Please see in your textbook at the time of listening video for your better understanding. Students, bird feeder are a device placed outdoor to supply food to the birds. While a wild bird find the food in their natural environment, feeding birds in your neighborhood give them a little extra food. The success of the bird feeder in attracting the birds depend upon its placement and the kind of food offered. Because different species have different preferences means some bird eat meat, some hunt insect, many prefer the seeds, nectar, berries, plants or worms. But what a bird eats depend upon its habitat, its energy need and part that make up a body structure means. A bird with a cone-shaped beak crack open seeds, strong and pointed beak such as a woodpecker beak meant for picking the hole into wood to find the insects, and also a long thin and tube shaped beak like a hummingbird work like a straws to sip the nectar. Most of the bird eat seeds or nectar. They may visit the feeder that serve their favorite food. If it is convenient for the bird to access the food in the safe way, the feeder that you make has to big enough the bird weight seed that put must keep dry and hang that bird feeder from a tree or a roof, but take care of that the predator should not be able to reach the bird while it's busy in munching, and it should be very easy for the people to add the food to the feeder. There are so many possibilities of the bird feeder as there are the type of birds. So on that page, first you have given a challenge that design a bird feeder. Then second point is a testable goal means you have to taste the bird feeder, the whole, the bird food or attract the local bird. Then third step is a research. Find out what kind of birds live near you and what their food needs. Then think what kind of the bird feeder they need. Think about how you can use the science, maths and technology are getting used to create that feeder. Then after in a brainstorm, draw one or more design ideas for a bird feeder. Use your creativity to complete this challenge. Then the next step on the next page, see you have given a suggested material means first after making the design of the bird feeder you will get the idea that which kind of the material you need to make its model. Then list your model, but you have also given the material list in a book. Then after that, first in a planning, think about the material available to you. How can you use the material to create the bird feeder? Then create means make your model by using that homemade material. Then in a next third step is a test. Means test your bird feeder by hanging it outside. Check does it hold the food securely? Do birds come to eat? Can predators bother the birds? And if you observe anything from that, then repeat or recreate the design process until you are satisfied with your bird feeder. And what kind of changes you do, mention it in your result and do the evaluation. Then on next page, Firstly, in a planning, draw your design of the bird feeder and list your material. Then next is a create, means create your model or make your model by using that material. Then test your model and write your result and evaluate your performance. And lastly, if redesign means what? If you are not satisfied with your first model and if you want to do some changes, then again redesign your model. Again recreate means again by using or by adding the material, again recreate or make them a new model. Then again draw your result, test Test your model, draw your result, and again do the evaluation. Students, I will show you some pictures of bird feeder as an example. But I request you all not copy the same. You will create your own design and please send it to me.